Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's fix this problem, Rockstar game not connecting or stuck on connecting. First part, right click the launcher, run as admin. That's going to be pretty simple, that's step 1. Now for the Windows key here, type in PowerShell. This is going to be the one you're looking for. Now type this exact code. That would be ipconfig space /flush DNS. Alright? That's going to be your code there. Click on enter. That's step 2. Step number 3, look for Ethernet settings. Open it up, change adapter settings. In here, disable and enable it. Once that's done, open it up. Look for properties. Look for the one that says version 4. Look for properties in here, second option. Click on use the following DNS server. In here, enter the exact code 8888. And then one more time for 8844. Click OK, and that should do it. Now let's just say the problem is still persisting. It's still there. So what's next? In here, you're just gonna reinstall the game itself. So go to Control Panel, click on Install a Program, look for Rockstar. There you have it. Right click, uninstall, and reinstall it to a legit website. And that's it.